As a teenager, there are several ways to make money online in 2024. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Freelance. Offer your skills, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Create a portfolio of your work and set competitive rates. Online tutoring. Use platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or VIPKid to offer online tutoring services in your area of expertise. Set your own schedule and rates. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals in exchange for payment. Use your knowledge of social media trends and best practices to grow their following and engagement. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys through websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Earn points or cash rewards for completing surveys. Online focus groups. Join online focus groups through websites like UserTesting or Respondent.io to provide feedback on products or services in exchange for payment. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative and organizational support to businesses or individuals through virtual assistant services. Use tools like Google Workspace, Trello, or Asana to manage tasks and deadlines. Online proofreading. Edit and proofread documents for businesses or individuals through platforms like Scribendi, Papertrue, or Kibben. Set competitive rates based on your experience and expertise. Online coaching. Offer coaching services in areas like fitness, nutrition, or personal development through platforms like CoachUp, BetterHelp, or NumCoach. Set your own schedule and rates. Online transcription. Transcribe audio files into text documents for businesses or individuals through platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or GoTranscript. Set competitive rates based on your experience and speed. 10. Online data entry. Enter data into databases or spreadsheets for businesses or individuals through platforms like ClickWorker, QuickTate, or Lionbridge Crowdsource Global. Set competitive rates based on the type of work and volume of data entered. Remember to always prioritize safety and privacy when working online as a teenager in 2024 by using reputable platforms and communicating professionally with clients or employers.